Okay, so we are creating the add list orders to user section, right? We are going to create the page users order list, and we already created this list on orders endpoint. So we have this list on orders, and what we are getting is we get the claim which has the object identifier from Azure Active Directory. It has the user ID, right? And then we are returning the orders that belong to this user, and we need to include all of the details that we are going to render in the page. So we are including the order detail, and we are including the products which are part of the order details, and we are also including in here the application user, so we can do the where. And that's basically it for this. Now we are going to go to the client application, to the client side. We are go to pages, user, orders, and we already have a list page in here that still doesn't have code at all, but it already has the basic. It is restricted to users, and this is restricted. This is the page. Now, something that we are going to do in here is restrict this okay, give me a second. Okay, so yeah, we are returning that, and I'm seeing this branch may actually not be updated. So let me verify. Let's get right. Um, no. Okay, so let's go to main. Okay. Yes, the main branch was not updated. And so now let's go to here. Let's merge main into this branch. And now let's see. Okay, so we'll okay. And let's see which are the conflicts in here. Merge. And that's okay. So in here, list own and list orders, we are actually going to include both. And that should be it. Except merge. Now I should not have conflicts in there. Let's see the order controller, and now we have list orders in here and list. Okay, I'll just going to invert them because this is the last one I added. Okay, let's just clean this a little bit, simplify it. There it is. And now we are going to the client side. Okay, user order list, right? And it's actually going to be similar to the to this page. We are going to include the HTTP client service, the Toastify service, this loading, the authorized client. Actually, all of this is going to be pretty much the same. Just going to copy this. In one of the future projects or tasks we have, we are going to start probably simplifying a lot of this to remove a lot of the duplicated code that we have through um, the pages, right? List on orders, and we need to add the using for system.json, right? That will be it for this, and the layout. It's going to be similar, except that it's going to be user layout is all actually all my orders, right? And yeah, that's pretty much it. Basically here what we are doing is we get all of the orders, we create two pages or two columns, right? And we are rendering all of them in cards, and we are showing the creation datetime of that order in your in the local time. Okay, and I believe that should be it for now. Let's see, let's compile and then we'll run the application. By the way, please remember to subscribe to the channel, um, share the videos, like the videos, comment things that you would like to learn about Blazor, Unity3d, Azure, .NET 5, .NET Core. Also in the near future we are going to start um, doing videos in about Maui and .NET 6, right? So let's see, let's run the application. Also, let us know in the comments what have you done with Blazor and Blazor WebAssembly, and if you have any projects, link them in the comments. So let's log into the application. I believe this is the normal user account. And yes, so I forgot to add the menu item, so let's access it directly. No, it's orders list. Orders list. Huh. Users, orders list. User. Okay, and this is how the page will be rendered, right? And actually I just noticed I've missed adding something. No, actually the loading component is in there. Let's see. I didn't see it. I didn't notice it loading. Okay. Now I need to add the link to the menu, right? And I am going to use something similar to this, right? Close this, go to user menu, yes. Okay, no, it's not admin page routes. This case is user page routes, list orders, and I'm actually list my orders. I am going to change this name to list. Actually, let's just leave it the way it is. And something that I forgot to do in here is sorting it by the row creation datetime descendant, right? So I'm going to do the order after everything else. And let's just verify. So if I log into the application, we should already have the menu item to be able to navigate to that page through the menu, right? List my orders, right? And you will see that they are already correctly sorted. And if I add a new one, let's see, currently this page hasn't really been finished. There's a lot of work to do in here. We will convert this to a drop down, and we will be able to search more specific areas, and you will be able to click in a section of it to show the marker to and get the address from that, right? And the geolocation, which is going to be the main item to do the delivery. Okay, order has been added, and you will see that now we have 3 orders, right? And let's see, we are going to have a delivery to the wish, right? I'm not changing or selecting any other in here because this actually has a bug that I need to fix. And yeah, you see that now we have 4 orders, and this is the order number 4, right? And these are this is all of the information for all of the orders that we have. Also, in one of the future tasks that we have, we are planning to allow administrators to be able to see charts, the sales charts, right? Uh, so they can see like the daily quantity of orders, the types, and the daily income from those orders. And we are also probably going to allow daily, weekly, and monthly sales reports. There are a couple of charts libraries that we are evaluating. Um, we we do not want to use any paid libraries because this project, one of the objectives of this project is to be 100% open source, right? So we need, if we use external libraries, most of those libraries need to be um, open source or be able to be consumed freely, right? So that's pretty much it for now. Let me know anything that you would like to learn. Remember about Blazor WebAssembly, Blazor Server, .NET Core, um, Azure, and Unity 3D. Also, if you have any feature requests that you would like, a functionality that you would like to have in this Blazor Restaurant project, please let us know. Right? Thank you very much and have a great day.